Nate in your state. I must say the presentation here is phenomenal. It really looks like a cool, calm spot that you could like relax to just have pizza or whatever have you. Gives it a real Italian feel. New York City versus Cincinnati slice from Goodfellas Pizzeria. I want to be real critical about this because there's no greater pizza than New York pizza. Not bad. It's not bad. These breadsticks are dope with marinara sauce. I approve. Though the pizza's okay, I don't think it's worth $3.21. Honestly, there is better pizza, much better pizza in New York that you can get for $2.50, $2.75. But I mean, it is Cincinnati. And they are using the name Goodfellas Pizzeria, which is another reason I assume how they're making their sales. But it's not bad, but I don't think it's worth $3.21. That extra penny, come on.